In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Yahoo Shortcut on PC desktop. This is a quick way to open Yahoo Mail without typing the address every time, and it can make your email feel more like a dedicated app on your Windows desktop. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. In the address bar at the top, type mail.yahoo.com and press enter. Give the page a moment to load fully so Chrome recognizes it as a website that can be turned into a shortcut. You don't need to sign in for this to work, just being on the Yahoo Mail page is enough. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three dots, which open the browser menu. Click that, then find the section labeled Cast, Save and Share. In that section, click Create Shortcut. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're on the correct page and that the tab is active. A small dialog box will appear asking you to name the shortcut. Type Yahoo Mail so it's easy to identify later. You'll also see an option called Open as Window. Turning this on is optional but highly recommended. When it's checked, your shortcut will open Yahoo Mail in a clean, separate window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, making it look and feel more like a standalone app. If you prefer to keep the regular browser experience, leave it unchecked. Once you've made your choice, click Create. Now, go to your desktop. You should see a new Yahoo Mail shortcut icon there. Double-clicking it will instantly take you to Yahoo Mail. If you selected Open as Window, it will launch in its own window, otherwise, it will open in your regular Chrome window. Either way, you've got a fast, consistent way to get to your inbox with a single click. If the shortcut doesn't appear right away, try refreshing your desktop or checking that the page was fully loaded before creating the shortcut. Also, this method relies on Google Chrome, so make sure you're using Chrome rather than a different browser. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.